Welcome to Sad Educare. Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. We are starting Unit 5 Multiplication and Division Exercise 5.2. First question. Which multiplication from the multiplication table for 4 is represented in the diagram? Remember to count the number of sides on each square. Look, here is table for 4. So we can write here 4 and count the number of sides on each square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4 table for 4. So how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6. So 4 times 6 is a 24, right? Next, what are the next 5 multiples of 4? Describe the numbers you have written using the words multiple, odd and even. So first we have to fill up this one. 4 times 1 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 8, 4 times 3 is a 12, 4 times 4 is a 16, 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 times 6 is a 24, 4 times 7 28, 4 times 8 32, 4 times 9 36, and 4 times 10 it should be 40. Now look, all these numbers are multiples of 4, right, and are even because they have an even number in ones place. Look, all the number here is 0 6 2 8 4, 0 6 2 8 4. All the number are even. So number 2 done. Number 3, write the missing multiplication fact. So here is we have to make double. So 2, it will become 4 times 7, here is 28. Here is double. So 2 times 3 is a 6. So 2 double, it means 4 times 3 is a 12. And half. So here is 4 times 5 equals to 20. So 4 half, it should be 2, and times 5 10. 4 times 4, we need half. So 4 half is 2 times 4, it will be 16. Is it? No. Here is 8. Next question. Which multiplication fact is represented in diagram? Look, here is a spider. 1 2 3 4 5 spider. So we can write in here 5. And now we will multiply, count the number of legs on each spider. So how many legs? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. It means 8. So here is 8. 5 times 8, it should be 40. Now color all the multiples of 8. So all the multiples of 8, and here is starting 70 is not 72. So look, 8 times 9 is a 72. 8 times 10 is a 80. 8 times 11, it should be 88. 8 times 12, it should be 96. 8 times 13, here is 104, right? 8 times 14, here is 112, and then 8 times 15, it should be 120. Now look, here is 72 and then 80, right? 72 80, and then 88, next 96, next what 104, next 112, and finally 120. So describe the numbers you have colored using the words multiple, odd and even. So it's a similar like 4. All the numbers here we can just change the number, it should be 8, right? Even, everything is same, all the numbers are even in ones place. So this is our answer, we can make colored. Okay, and now here is 72, then 80, then 88, then 96, 104, 112, 120. All these numbers are multiple of 8 and are even because they have an even number in ones place, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2. All the numbers are even. Okay, so number 5 done. Number 6, 2 times 9 is 18, then double, it will be 4 times 9, it should be 36, and double, it means 8 times 9, it should be 72, right? So here and here we have to fill the blank. Here is 8 times 5, here is 20, so it's become double of 4 times 5 is a 20, and this is double of what 2 times 5 equals to 10, right? 4 times 6 equals to 24, it's half, it means 2 times 6 equals to 12, and it should be half of what? Here 4 half 2, right? And here 2 times 6 is a what? 12. So 2 half. So 2 half, it means here is 8, right? 8 half is 4. So we can write this one. We can write, we have to careful about this. So 8 times 6 is a 48. So 8 half is 4, 4 half is 2, right? So here is 2 times 3 equals to 6, and it's a half of 4 times 3 equals to 12, and it should half of 8 times 3 equals to what? 24. Very simple. Now the term to term rule is add 4. Start at 5. What are the next 5 number in sequence? So we will add 4. So here is 9, here is 13, here is 17, here is 21, and here is 20 what? 5. Describe the number you have written using the words multiple, odd or even. So all the numbers are even. Is it? No. All these numbers are odd because one's number is odd, like 5, 1, 7, 3 and 9, and also 5. All the numbers are odd. So number 7 done. Number 8. What is the term to term rule in sequence? What are the missing numbers? So look, here is 3, here is 11, and here is 19. So 11 and 3 difference is what? 11 and 3 difference is 8, right? 8. Similar, 11 and 19 difference also 8, so here should be 27. We can write in red color 27. So 27 and 35 difference is 8. Similar, 35 plus 8 is a 43. Okay, describe the numbers you have written using the words multiple, odd and even. So here term to term difference, here the term to term rule 8. All these numbers are odd, right? Because 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, all these numbers are odd because one's number is odd. The term to term rule is 8. 2 of the 5 numbers in Jamal sequence are 13, 29. What could be the other number in this sequence be? What could this term to term rule be? Find another solution. There are many possible solutions including 5. Look, 13 and then 21, it means the term to term rule of 8. 13, then 21, 29, 37. This is the term to term rule, add 8. Similar, if we start from 37, then subtract 28, it means 29, subtract 8, 21, 13, 5. This is term to term rule, subtract 8. And what could be this term to term rule? It could 8 add or 8 subtract. Find another solution. Look, we can write like here is 13. So 13, once we add 4, it will be 17. 17 plus 4, it will be 21. Then 21 plus 4, 25. Then 25 plus 4, it will be 29. So this is also 13, 17, 21, 25, 29 term to term rule, add 4. It's also another solution. So there are lots of ways we can make 13 to 29. So no more today. Exercise 5.2, we are trying to solve 1 to 9. So next video we will start from 5.3, exercise 5.3, which is very important. So till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Educare. Thank you.